Hello and welcome back to Suman's Academy. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create quiz on Kahoot. For that, you have to type kahoot.com. As soon as you type kahoot.com, you will get the interference of Kahoot. Here, you can learn how to create, you can share the quiz, and you can also play the quiz with your student. You can engage your students and group for learning and teaching. You can use for your work, for training, for presentation in the meetings or in the event. You can also use Kahoot as a family game. You can also get an ideas and join big educators communities in Kahoot. So this is how you can use Kahoot for. Now you can also see how many people are using this Kahoot. You can see here more than 1 million people use this Kahoot. So this is how you can get an idea how to use Kahoot. Now if you don't have an account, just click on sign up button, and here you have to choose your account. Either you are using for teacher, student, personal or professional. It depends on you. So I'm using for teacher and I am using it for school. So I will click on school, and then here you have to type your email ID and password. So I already have an account. I will go to login and then I will log in. So as soon as you log in, you will get the home page of Kahoot. You can go through it. You can see what is new in this Kahoot. You can see the best games in the Kahoot, and according to that you can create your game. So here I am going to tell you how to create a game on Kahoot. Just on the right side you will see create button. Click on create button. Here many templates are available. You can choose any of the template that you want. I am going to create my own, so I will click on create. So here you get different types of questions to add. When you click on add questions, you can see you can add quiz type question, you can add true or false question, type answer question, puzzles you can add. You can also add audio and quiz questions. You can create a poll, you can create word cloud. You can have open-ended question and brainstorm, but this all questions need premium version. If you have premium version, you can use this question. If you are using it for free, you can have quiz question and true or false question. So let us create this two type of question, that is quiz question and true or false question. Just click on this question and you have to add your question. So the first question is, when did the first Jayco commercial debut? Let us add option over here. After adding question and options, you have to select the right answer. So here we know right answer is 1999. I am going to select the right answer. So here when you see on the right side, you can see you can also add time limit. You can increase or decrease the time limit of your quiz. So I am going to keep it for 10 seconds. And here you can also keep your points, that you want to keep standard, you want to keep double points or no points. It depends on you how you want to keep the points. I will keep it as standard. You can also select two answers. If you think the two answers were right, you have to select multiple select, but that needs a premium version. So here we have only one answer correct. We have kept single select. Now for adding a new question, just click on add question. Here we are going to create a true or false question. So I will click on true or false, and here you have to add your question. So our next question is, as you are leaving the school zone, you see a faster speed limit sign ahead. You can accelerate right away. That is true or false. Let me add the question. So let us give the right answer, that is false. Also you can keep the time limit. I am going to keep it for 10 seconds. And then now we are going to add one more question, and then I will tell you how to save and share and play the game. So let me add next question. I am going to create a quiz question. Here you can also insert an image if you want. So I am not going to insert an image. I am just going to type a question and I am going to add an options. So the next question is 15 dash could save 15% or more on car insurance. So the right answer is minute. So I'm going to click on minute, and here I'm going to decrease the time limit, that is I will keep for 10 seconds. So this is how we have created our quiz, that is we have created 3 questions on quiz. You can go through it. Also you can preview your quiz. So here when you click on preview that you see on the right side of your screen, just click it and then you can see how it will look for your students. This is our first question. This is our second question and this is our third question. So let us move back and see how to save and share the quiz. Here when you see on the right side you will get a save button. Just click on save button. Add the title of your quiz, that is GECO Insurance Quiz. And then you can add description over here if you want. I'm not going to add a description, just I will continue it. So here you will get 3 options. You can test this Kahoot by yourself, you can play the game and test it, you can share with your students and play this game with group. You can also share it with other people with the help of a link. Now I'm going to click on play now and I will show you how while teaching online you can play the game. So let us click on play now. Here you will get 2 options. You can while teaching also you can play the game, or you can give as a challenge for your students. So let us see while teaching how to play a game. Just click on teach. So here you are having 2 options. You can have a classic version, that is player versus player, or you can have a team version, that is team versus team. Here we will play, we are not having a team, so here we will have a classic version, that is player versus player. Here you will get a pin that you have to share with your students to play the game. So I'm just going to copy this pin. And now I will open one of my demo account and show how to play the game. So let me open a demo account. So this is my demo account. So I will split the screen to show you how this works. So as you can see on the left side I have my main account and on the right side I have my demo account. Here when you are sharing the game, your students need to type kahoot.it. This kahoot.it, when your student type they can just play the game. So let me type kahoot.it. As soon as the student type kahoot.it, they will ask you a pin to play the game. So this pin which your teacher is sharing, you have to note it down and type it. I am just copying it and I will paste the pin here. Here you have to add your nickname. I am going to add my nickname. As soon as you enter your nickname, your teacher can see who is going to play the game, and then your teacher has to click on start. So this game name is GECO Insurance Quiz, and here on your teacher account the game question will be displayed, and here on your account you have to select the right answer. So this is the first question: when did the first GECO commercial debut? And the right answer is 1999. So let us click on it. And here you can see the score, as well as your teacher also can see the score. So let us click on next to see the next question. This is our next question on true or false. As you are leaving the school zone, you see a fast speed limit sign ahead. You can accelerate right away. Is it true or false? We know the answer is false, so we'll click on false. And you can also see the score and your teacher can see the score. And then next. So this is your next question. 15 dash could save 15% or more on car insurance. We know the answer is minute. So let us click on minute. So this is how we have completed 3 questions on our quiz. Now we can see the result of the quiz. So we got first place as well. Your teacher can see the result. So this is how your student and teacher can engage in the classroom and have a good interaction between them. Let us move to next and get the result of our quiz. Here you can download the report of your quiz. When you click on this view full report, you can get the report of your quiz. So here you have to click on view report. Here you can see 100% perfection was there while playing the game. How many players have played the game, how many questions were there, and how much time did it take to play the game. You can also view the podium to see who was the first winner up in the game. So when you are playing with your students, you can see the name over for second runner up and third runner up. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, just like, comment and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notification.